Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into this one. This one's going to be probably the fastest tutorial we've ever made, consisting of about 15 seconds. So this poster wanted to know how to make the canvas bigger without affecting the photo. All you got to do is go over to Image, scroll down to Resize, and go to Canvas. It's going to tell you exactly the size of the photo, which is somewhere between like 2.5 by 3.5. So you click that, and here it shows you the width is 2.542, the height is 3.403. Let's go ahead and just make it bigger. It doesn't really matter how much bigger it is, because you can worry about that later. So on the width, we're just going to make that, I don't know, like 20 inches, and the height, make that about 10 inches, and then hit OK. And it immediately, and I'm going to zoom out, makes your canvas a lot bigger. Now the photo has not been touched, and of course I can touch it and move it around. I can leave it this size. I can grab the little corner of the box here and make the photo bigger if I want. Any size you want. You can do whatever you want to do. And that's pretty much how to make the canvas bigger. And you have all this to work with, so you can add more things or do whatever you want. I can grab this little circle down here and turn the photo sideways if I want, and do all kinds of other manipulations. That's about it. This is Rich calling it quits for this quick tutorial, saying over and out.